ThePure cleans your hands with Swiss precision. In this video, we'll show you how it works. The package contains the ThePure bracelet, 2 caps, and a pin. Please remove 1 cap and the metal pin from the box. Using the pin, punch the cap until it stops. You may feel a little pressure. Remove the pin and put it back into the box. Keep it in a safe place together with the spare cap. You may now fill the bracelet with the liquid of your choice. Our bracelet accepts all liquid and gel types. Carefully push the cap into the bracelet until it stops. Put the bracelet on your hand with the nozzle towards the inside of your body. Press with your thumb gently on the cross and distribute your liquid on both hands. The ThePure bracelet guarantees over 50 applications from one filling and can be refilled everywhere. Enjoy your day and stay in hygienic comfort. Be ThePure, ThePure Switzerland.